this video, we'll be showing you how to set up membership or subscription payment schemes on your website. First, log in as an administrator. You can add payment schemes to products of type membership, subscription and recurring donation. To do this, head to Admin, Product Groups and select Products from the Manage menu of the relevant product group. Please see the link in the description below for the video tutorial for how to set up a product group if you haven't done so yet. Then select Add Product from the Manage menu. Give the product a name, a SKU, or one will be allocated for you, and then you must either select type membership, recurring donation or subscription in order to create a payment scheme. You can add a description in the free text description field and any text you would like to add in the order confirmation email text field for this particular product. Please note that any text entered in the order confirmation email text in the product group will also be included, so there is no need to repeat that here. If you would like the sales start and end dates for this product to override the dates set at product group level, then please enter those here. If not, then this can be left. There is no need to enter a price or minimum and maximum purchase quantities, but you must enter a stock quantity, and you can enter a target quantity if you wish. You can then check any required checkboxes in the product options section and decide how you would like the booking label to appear at checkout. If you want to sell the product to specific classes or groups, you can select them here. And you can also upload an image for your product if you wish. When you are ready, click on the Add Product button. Once this has been completed, select Payment Schemes from the Manage menu of the newly created product. And then select Add Payment Scheme from the Manage menu. Then enter the amount, select a frequency from the drop-down list, enter the number of payments, and check the Auto Renew checkbox if you would like the membership or subscription to auto renew. Then click on the Add Product Payment Scheme button. You can add more payment schemes if you would like to offer different payment options to your customers. The options will show in the uniform and merchandise or events and sales page like this. The payment schemes will be visible to your customer when they click on the subscribe button. And that's it, you have now successfully set up a membership or subscription payment scheme on your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.